Hello dear traders, you're watching daily currency market news on the InstаForекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. Recently, oil has set a new WS record. Crude prices are still plummeting amid the OPEC stance towards oil output quotas. Last week, the cartel did not announce a decision on oil glut contraction. On Thursday, the situation cleared up, causing disarray in the global oil market. According to the OPEC monthly report, the cartel members escalated oil production by 230,000 barrels in November to about 31.7 million barrels per day. Currently, the oil glut amounts to 1.4 million barrels per day. Besides, non-OPEC countries are pumping up the oil output, defying the market expectations. So, according to flash estimates, the non-OPEC countries produced over 500,000 barrels a day in the second half of the year. The OPEC analysts reckon that US producers account for 50% of the projected figures. According to commodity strategists, the shale oil production in the United States could drop in January. Today, the market is awaiting an oil recount report from Baker Hughes. This information will enable economists to make a more accurate forecast of further oil output in the United States. Soaring output from OPEC member Iraq has been a large contribution to the oil glut. Iraq has increased its oil production by 250 million barrels a day. Due to the oversupply to the global market, oil prices have slumped to nearly a 7-year low. Crude fell below the psychological level of $40 last week in the wake of the OPEC meeting, as the participants failed to agree on handling the oil glut. Today, Brent futures fell 28 cents to $39.58 a barrel, while WTI futures sank 26 cents to the level of $36.50. So crude is approaching the bottom of $20 a barrel, which was predicted by analysts, but it was hard to believe. On the grounds of the hopeless data on the global oil production, analysts note that if the current pace of oil output persists in the fourth quarter, the oil glut will shrink to 1.1 million barrels a day. However, in the first quarter next year, oil output could swell to 2.2 million barrels a day amid a seasonal decline in demand. It was InstаForекс News and me, Kate Nidachina. Have a nice trading day!